The fascinating history of synthetic dyes. Title: The fascinating history of synthetic dyes. Introduction: 100 words. From vibrant textiles to stunning works of art, the world of color has captivated humanity for centuries. While natural dyes have been used since ancient times, the development of synthetic dyes mark at a turning point in human history. This article delves into the fascinating journey of synthetic dyes, exploring their origins, major milestones, and their impact on various industries. Origins of synthetic dyes, 200 words. The story of synthetic dyes begins in the mid-19th century, when an accidental discovery sparked a revolution. In 1856, English chemist William Henry Perkin was attempting to synthesize quinine, a treatment for malaria from coal tar derivatives. Instead, he synthesized a compound that produced a rich and vibrant purple color. This accidental finding became known as mauveine or mauve, and it marked the birth of the first synthetic dye. Major milestones in synthetic dye development, 400 words. After the discovery of mauveine, scientists and chemists around the world set out to explore the vast possibilities of synthetic dyes. One significant milestone came in 1863 when Adolf von Baeyer-Such successfully synthesized synthetic indigo, a vibrant blue dye. This breakthrough revolutionized the textile industry, as natural indigo was traditionally expensive and had limited availability. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, chemists continued to develop new synthetic dyes. The German chemical industry, led by companies such as BASF, Hoechst, and Bayer, emerged as pioneers in dye production. They perfected the synthesis of various colors, allowing for an explosion of creativity and experimentation in the textile, fashion, and arts industries. The impact of synthetic dyes transcended fashion, extending into other fields as well. In the early 20th century, synthetic dyes played a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industry, aiding in the discovery and development of new drugs. The ability to color-code various compounds and chemicals proved invaluable in identifying and categorizing substances. Dyeing techniques and cultural impact, 300 words. The availability of a wide range of vibrant, stable, and affordable synthetic dyes had a profound impact on fashion, textile design, and everyday life. Dyeing techniques, such as tie-dye, batik, and screen printing, were revolutionized as artists and designers embraced the newfound possibilities of color. The rich hues and durability of synthetic dyes allowed for greater creative expression and resulted in the production of visually striking textiles, clothing, and home decor. Culturally, the introduction of synthetic dyes greatly impacted societies worldwide. Traditional garment colors once confined to specific regions or social classes became accessible to all, breaking down social barriers and cultural divisions. Vibrant textiles became symbols of identity and self-expression, transcending geographic boundaries. Environmental and health concerns, 300 words. While synthetic dyes brought with them numerous benefits, concerns regarding their environmental and health impacts emerged over time. Early synthetic dye production processes were often inefficient and led to the release of harmful chemicals into waterways. Efforts to mitigate these issues saw the development of stricter regulations and cleaner manufacturing practices in the industry. The discovery of certain carcinogenic properties in some synthetic dyes further heightened concerns about their safety. As a result, rigorous testing procedures and regulations were established to ensure the safety of dyes used in consumer products. Modern innovations and future possibilities, 200 words. Advancements in technology and chemistry have paved the way for further innovations in synthetic dyes. Today, there is considerable focus on developing sustainable and eco-friendly dyes. Researchers are exploring natural alternatives, such as plant-based dyes, and seeking ways to improve the efficiency of synthetic dye production while minimizing environmental impact. Additionally, the field of functional dyes is expanding rapidly. These dyes not only provide color but also offer unique properties, such as UV resistance or thermal regulation. These innovations hold deep promise across various industries, including fashion, medicine, and solar energy. The application of synthetic dyes in medicine and biotechnology, 300 words. In addition to their impact on the textile industry, synthetic dyes have also found numerous applications in medicine and biotechnology. One notable example is the use of synthetic dyes in medical diagnostics. Dyes are often employed to stain tissues and cells, allowing scientists and medical professionals to visualize and study them under a microscope. This technique, known as histological staining, has greatly advanced our understanding of diseases and facilitated more accurate diagnoses. Furthermore, synthetic dyes have made significant contributions to the field of genetics. DNA sequencing, for instance, relies on the use of fluorescent dyes to label specific DNA fragments and determine their nucleotide sequence. This process enables researchers to unravel the genetic code and unravel mysteries surrounding inherited diseases and genetic disorders. Synthetic dyes have also made their way into biotechnology, particularly in the field of protein research. Dyes are frequently used to label proteins, allowing scientists to track their movement within cells and study their interactions with other molecules. These insights are invaluable in understanding cellular processes and developing targeted therapies to combat diseases. The future of synthetic dyes, 200 words. As the demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly products increases, the future of synthetic dyes lies in the development of greener alternatives. Researchers are actively exploring natural sources such as plants, algae, and microbes to extract pigments for dye production. These natural dyes offer the potential for reduced environmental impact and are biodegradable, providing a more sustainable option for industries reliant on synthetic dyes. Additionally, advancements in nanotechnology have opened up exciting possibilities for the development of nanoscale dyes. Nanodyes possess unique optical properties and can emit light of specific wavelengths, making them ideal for applications in fields such as energy-efficient lighting, solar cells, and data storage. The role of synthetic dyes in art and creative industries, 300 words. The introduction of synthetic dyes has had a profound impact on the world of art and creative industries. Artists, designers, and craftsmen have embraced the versatility and vibrant colors that synthetic dyes offer, allowing for new avenues of artistic expression. In the realm of painting, synthetic dyes have expanded the palette of artists and made previously inaccessible colors readily available. Traditional pigments derived from natural sources often had limitations in terms of color intensity and stability. With synthetic dyes, artists gained access to an extensive range of colors that are not only vivid but also have excellent light fastness. Textile design and printing have also experienced a revolution thanks to synthetic dyes. The advent of screen printing, for example, allowed for more efficient and precise application of dyes and facilitated the creation of intricate patterns and designs. Synthetic dyes not only offer a wider spectrum of colors but also exhibit excellent color retention and resistance to fading, resulting in more durable and visually striking textiles. The impact of synthetic dyes extends beyond traditional art forms, as they have been incorporated into various creative industries. In interior design, vibrant and long-lasting synthetic dyes have given rise to a plethora of options for home decor. From colorful upholstery to bold wallpaper, synthetic dyes have enabled designers to transform spaces and evoke specific moods and emotions. Synthetic dyes have also found their way into the world of cosmetics and beauty products. From vibrant eyeshadows to bold lipsticks, these dyes provide an array of shades that allow individuals to express their personalities and experiment with different looks. Looking ahead, the future of synthetic dyes in the art and creative industries holds exciting possibilities. Ongoing research aims to develop dyes with even greater light fastness and color intensity, further expanding the horizons of artists and designers.